Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to access Google Bard, the new AI chatbot of Google, which is the competitor of ChatGPT. Alright, so as you can see, I have already access to Google Bard, and you can access Google Bard by going to the URL bard.google.com. And when you open up bard.google.com and you haven't received access to Google Bard yet, you will either see this screen. So in this case, Google Bard is not supported in your country. Stay tuned, because I'm not in the United States. However, even if Bard is not supported in your country, as you can see, this is the case for me. I have successfully signed up for their waitlist using a VPN. I have used ExpressVPN for this. You can also try out for free for 30 days, absolutely risk-free. And if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. If you are in the United States, you're gonna see sign up for waitlist here, and I also have a tutorial on how to sign up for the waitlist. I'm not gonna go over all of the details, but just click on sign up for waitlist here, add some information here. I think you have to add basically an email address and a password, and answer a couple of questions, and then you will be added to the Google Bard waitlist. And then you will have to wait a couple of hours or even a couple of days. And then after a couple of hours or a couple of days, as you can see, Bard no reply at google.com sent us a message that welcome to Bard. So welcome to Bard. So we have been accepted to get access to Google Bard. And then all you have to do is click on take it for a spin. And this will open up the bard.google.com website. And as you can see, I will see the chat prompts, and this works just like ChatGPT. So you can ask anything to write me blog post intro on how to write me a blog post intro on how to make money online. Then click on submit, and then Google Bard will write us an intro on how to make money online. As you can see, it's quite slow yet, and some say that the generations are not as good as ChatGPT, but it's still something you can experiment with. If you click on the new response, it will regenerate a completely new response.